Brand new na bungalow unit din ba ang hanap mo na may malaking lote sana? At syempre, modern ang design. Preferably, ang location ay malapit lang sana sa Alabang, Taguig, Makati at syempre Airport at Metro Manila. Then, don't skip this video dahil for sure magugustuhan mo tong unit natin here at BF Resort, Las Piñas City. Hi everyone! It's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another premium house tour here in Las Piñas City. Ang ganda ng unit na to kasi ang aliwalas tignan, modern ng pagkakadesign at napakalaki ng floor area natin, pati na rin ang lot area. Single detached unit na rin pala to ha, and imagine, ang lot area mo ay 204 square meters na, and ang floor area mo naman ay 170 square meters. Kaya naman, may provision ka for 2 carport na covered na rin upon turnover. What you see in this house tour video is the actual turnover na pala kasi ito na yung mismong unit na binibenta natin. O diba? Ganda ng finishing. Upon entering, meron kang open space layout for your living, dining, and kitchen area. It can fit actually here around 6 to 8 sitters dining table. And syempre, kasama na rin yung mga built-in cabinets natin. We have a total of 5 bedrooms pala, kasama na ang maid's quarter with own toilet and bath, and of course you have 3 toilet and bath, kasama na rin yung sa master's bedroom. Kaya naman sure na pasok to sa preferences and requirements mo para sa iyong pamilya. May mga built-in cabinets na rin pala bawat kwarto, kaya wala ka nang kahasal-hasal sa unit na to at lilipatan mo na lang talaga. One more thing na nagustuhan ko sa unit na to, mataas ang ceiling natin, kaya naman well ventilated talaga ang unit. To mention na located ka pa sa isang premium and well-known subdivision here in Las Piñas City, of course, none other than BF Resort Las Piñas. Yan naman guaranteed na very accessible to sa mga major establishment essential for your growing family. Nagustuhan ko pa dito, ang laki ng frontage ng bahay. And of course, clean title na to, kaya wala ka nang iisipin. Single detached na rin pala tong unit na to, kaya naman may extra space ka sa bawat side ng property mo. This gonna be your service area and also your access going to the carport area. Nandito na rin pala yung laundry area and also maid's quarter natin na may sarili na ring toilet and bath. Separated yan sa main house, kaya naman achieve mo talaga yung privacy ng family mo. Now, I know you're asking magkano yung property na to. Imagine, for as low as 15 million pesos only, you can now own this modern bungalow here in BF Resort. And available to through cash payment or bank financing. At dahil move-in ready na nga to, upon payment ng full DP, basta approve ka na ng bangko, pwede mo nang lipatan ang property na gusto mo. Hassle-free din ang processing natin sa bank kasi we will be the one to do it for you. Oh, so paano? Ito na nga ba ang hinahanap mong bungalow unit for you and your family? Tara, tripping na tayo. Link in bio or call or message us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number para makita mo na rin to. See you